Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 18th to 22nd May 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see 0.25% positive move. 158.751 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 3543 levels. Here we can see there is no wick in this weekly chart, so this is a good bullish momentum for the full week, and we can see a good momentum with a closing above the previous candle as well, previous week candle as well. So now let's open our daily chart and let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So here this is our 1-day chart. In this 1-day chart we can see almost some support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Here, if I talk about important support and resistance zone, before that let's talk about the closing. Here 158.751 is the closing. Here the direct support is 158.619, direct resistance is 150.917. after direct support there is a support of 158.411. After that 158.204. after direct resistance there is a resistance of 159.177 and then 159.444. so these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also this will help you to take support zones and resistance zones with the accurate target as well as stop loss. So let's now talk about my opinion, but before that, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account. From there I get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, do check the description, and if you think these prop firms has a very strict rules, then you can also open your own live account. Also, if you open a live account from our link, then you will be added to a VIP premium membership. How to get added in a premium membership? You can directly WhatsApp me on my number, or you can contact me on the Telegram channel I will share, or you can join the Telegram channel, which is a free Telegram channel where I share how you can join my VIP group. So if you're interested, then do click on the Telegram channel link, or you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion. Currently, according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a negative closing in this range, which is 150.411 to 150.619. I am expecting a negative closing in this range. But if you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 150.917 gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets closed above this, and you can go for a long till 150.177. Even if this gets breached, you can go for a target till this level as well. But remember, we should always look for 4-hour or 1-day candle closing, then only we can move forward with our targets. Currently, if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade. 150.619 gets breached and a 4-hour or 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for this target. Even this gets breached and a 4-hour and 1-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a target till this level as well. Overall, my expectations with negative in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.